Here are the top COVID-19 updates for July 24th. With as many as 49,310 new COVID cases, India's total caseload now stands at 12.87 lakh. Over 740 coronavirus patients have succumbed to the illness in the last 24 hours, bringing the death toll to 30,601. According to state health officials, the COVID-19 infection has widely spread at the community level in Telangana. Telangana has thus become the third Indian state to declare the onset of community transmission of the virus. In its advisory for the upcoming Independence Day celebrations, the Ministry of Home Affairs has urged all government offices, states, and governors to avoid congregating in public places. Instead, technology should be used to facilitate any programs planned for the day, the MHA has said. The All India Institute of Medical Science in Delhi on Friday administered its first dose of Bharat Biotech's Covaxin to a 30-year-old male. The subject will be monitored for 2 more weeks, after which he will be given his second dose. As many as 160 inmates of a district jail in Uttar Pradesh's Balia have tested positive for COVID-19. The infected inmates have been lodged in a separate barrack where they are being treated for the virus. The novel coronavirus has infected over 15.4 million people worldwide and killed as many as 632,178. At least 8.7 million people have recovered globally. The chief scientist at the World Health Organization, Dr. Soumya Swaminathan, has estimated that about 50 to 60% of the population will need to be immune to coronavirus for there to be any protective herd immunity effect. The South African government has decided to close schools once again as the country is witnessing a surge in COVID-19 cases. Schools will remain closed for a 4-week period from July 27th onwards. US President Donald Trump has decided to cancel an upcoming 4-night Republican convention in Florida. Trump said his decision to cancel the event was aimed at protecting the American people. The Chinese foreign minister announced a $1 billion loan to Latin America and the Caribbean for COVID-19 vaccine access during a virtual gathering with his Latin American counterparts.
We in India undertook the COVID-19 challenge with the highest level of political commitment. Our Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi personally monitored the situation and ensured a preemptive, proactive and graded response, leaving no stones unturned to contain the deadly virus from spreading. India has so far reported 1.25 million cases and more than 30,000 deaths due to COVID. India has one of the lowest cases and deaths per million population, which is 864 cases per million and less than 21 deaths per million of our population. Our recovery rate stands at 63.45%, whereas our mortality is amongst the lowest in the world at 2.3%. We have performed more than 15 million RT-PCR tests so far and are now performing more than 0.35 million tests per day with a projected quantum of performing 1 million tests per day.